Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a low mileage 2015 GMC Sierra Denali Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number X380A. Only 18,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, white diamond in color. The Sierra is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility, and power sliding rear windows for extra ventilation. Locking tailgate, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Shift and fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Power moonroof overhead. Gauges, again only 18,000 miles. Advanced safety features like forward collision alert, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. All the power outlets you'll need. Lots of storage space in the center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home-link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and sliding rear window control. Under the hood, this Sierra has a 6.2 liter V8, 420 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Sierra, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.